Hey guys, it's painful time here. Sorry if you hear retarded noise in the background. It's my baby sister. But I just got back from biking, and if you guys don't know, I'm sort of good at BMX. So that's what I've been doing since I was like 6. And yeah, so doing a bike check. I just felt like doing this video because I just had my best BMX thing. Okay, let's start at the top. We got ODI long grips with Fit Bike bar ends. Is purple and black. I have a Sunday Freeze stem with an Odyssey headset. Odyssey forks. I don't even know what type of wheels these are. I don't know. Fit Bike pegs. They're really beat up, if you can see. There's one, and the one on the back. I have a Fit Bike Co. hub guard, Odyssey twist. What's it called? Pedals. Odyssey cranks. These are really nice. I really like them. Aaron Ross Odyssey bike frame, Sunday Freeze bike, whatever it is. I don't really know what types of rims they are. I got a what's it called? Sunday Sunday Fun Day. I took off all the stickers on everything, so it makes it look pretty cool. I got my local bike shop, Bunny Hop, and one of my sponsors, Dog Funk. And we come over here. We got Odyssey. I don't even know what that's called. Sorry, I forgot what it's called. And I got, there's a chain, this stock chain. So yeah. Oh yeah. Also, I got Aaron Ross type handlebars. They're really beat up, as you can see. Yeah. I've been riding this bike for about a year now. The only problem I have with it is the welding's pretty bad. And yeah, I tried to bike a frame grind. Didn't end up well. You can see that. I didn't land it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My bike check for 2013. Really like them. If you guys want to see my shoes I wear biking, Vans. So yeah. Yeah. I'm looking to get a new handlebars. I really like the Colt Death Row Chrome ones. But if you have any suggestions, please tell me. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.